Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm unboxing. So if you are excited for these videos, you like unboxings, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of the family, and definitely leave a comment down below. What is your favorite part of your box this month? Will you be getting Boxycharm? Do you have Boxycharm? Let's dive into it. So this month is called Totally Boxycharm, and we've got I think I have 6 items in here. I have 6 items in here, so we're going to go in order of the card. First is the Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder. It says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. The retail value of this is $39. I actually already have this, and it's right here. I'm going to be putting this in a giveaway for my next giveaway, and so I'll be using this right now. I have half my makeup on, as you can see. I'm going to be trying on this box, so let's go ahead and try this powder. I don't remember my thoughts on it, but essentially it's a white powder. It's just very, very finely milled. Ooh. So let's just try it out. I guess it feels really cold. I don't know. We're gonna try it out. I'm gonna set my under eye with that. Yes, essentially it feels like you're just putting straight water on your face. And I'm not sure how I feel about this. I never really used mine. But so far, I mean, it feels good. I think people try applying it with a brush and they feel weird about it. I feel like that would leave some sort of brush stroke issue. I set my face with a sponge, I always have. So actually, first impression, I really do like this. It's setting down my makeup really, really well. I have no issues. I didn't set my face yet, but now I am, so have no issues right now. I think this is really, really great, and the fact that they added it to the box, it's already worth what the box you pay. So it's worth $39, you pay $21. Boxycharm, you get 5 to 6 full-size products in it every single month for $21. And if you upgrade to BOXYLUXE, you get 6 to 10 full-size products for $49.99. And they bill you on the first of the month all the time. So I'll have Boxycharm linked below in the description box if you are interested in signing up. My husband decided to turn the hose on. The next thing in the box is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. This lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. This retails for $42, guys. Oh, wow. Wander Beauty is known for a lot of good things. But what I can do, since I forgot about this, is actually it has a little glass dropper, and it allows you to pump some of the serum back on your hand. So essentially this is drying and like going right into the skin. It essentially feels like water going into the skin. So I feel like this would be really great for dry and especially for oily skin, since you can see that's all gone and it's left no sticky residue whatsoever. It feels completely lightweight, very, very smooth. Just feels like water, and there's no greasy residue or anything like that. So that's exciting. Next is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara full size, an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. This retails for $23. I have this mascara already. I'm putting this in the giveaway. Next we have Ace Beauty. Okay, Ace Beauty. I actually like Ace Beauty a lot. And we have these shadows here. Glimmer Shadow Duo, high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading, and they retail for $25. I got Huckleberry and French Vanilla, so I'm excited to do an eye look with this right now. These are really very interesting. They do look just like the ColourPop Super Shock shadows. They don't feel like them. So we've got this color here, which is super beautiful, nice and shimmery. How gorgeous. And I'm interested in this silverish color. Let's see how that goes. See what that looks like. Wow, so these are really, really pretty. Super soft. Can't wait to do a look with it. I'm just going to do a quick eye look, and yeah, let's get started. So I just applied my blush, bronzer, highlight, everything like that off camera, and I'm unsure about how to go about doing this, but I'm just going to take this berry shade and a fluffy brush and go in. Oh, this is nice. What a beautiful color. So I'm just going to build that. This is really, really nice. On both eyes. I'm just essentially creating a transition shade for our lids. I'm going to pinch the brush and go along the lower lash line as well. The same color. Stunning color. I don't know if it's worth $25 when the ColourPop Super Shock shadows are only $5 a piece. But yeah, I like this so far. Then what I'm going to do is take my finger and actually pack this directly on the lid. So that's super pretty. Really very pigmented. No fallout like it says. This is a very quick one and done kind of eye look. And it actually matches my dress. Was not planning on that, guys, at all. Considering I knew nothing of my Boxycharm. I did not know when it had shipped. Nothing. They didn't tell me anything. So I was kind of in the dark about that. Let's go ahead and use the French Vanilla shade. And we're just going to take a pencil brush, dip that directly in. They're very, very creamy. And I'm going to put that on the inner third. Wow. This is stunning. You guys, I think I'm going to be going for this look a lot. It's super easy. 2 shadows, one and done situation. I'm going to put it on my inner corner as well as the lower third, just connecting to the existing shade down below. How pretty. So you guys, I'm going to put on some lashes and liner, and then we'll finish by using the last product in the box, which is a lip liner. Lashes are on, and last but not least, we have a Steve Laurant lip liner. Reshapes, resizes, and redefines your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip lines for a seamless and flawless finish, completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long, lasts up to 7 hours. This is worth $15. Let me go ahead and line my lips. I got the shade Vogue, it looks like. Yeah, I got the shade Vogue. Let's line our lips and see if they actually paid attention to my quiz, which I update like every month. Oh yeah. Really nice nude. So essentially it looks like this. I love the color. I'm going to color in my whole entire lip and I'll be right back. Well, you guys, I know a lot of people have been complaining about the Steve Laurant lip liner. I absolutely love it. I love the color. I love the way it looks on my lips. Yeah, they finally got it right this time with my box. So I've added up the total amount for this box this month, and it retails for $160, you guys. For $21 a month, you get $160. Generally, Boxycharm gives over $100. $100 or over for all of their products. I got 6 products this month. Let me know what you guys got. The batch number I got is, let's see. I know everybody wants to know the batch number. I just saw it here somewhere. Be right back. I see it here. It's K190806. And so that's all I see. Doesn't say the weight or anything like that. But that's my box. I'm overall very happy with this box. I absolutely love the skincare. I love the eye look I created. I love the Becca Hydra Mist. I already know I like that. So that's going to give away the Tarte Bake Ego. My lashes are non-existent anyway, so it is what it is. I kind of like it. It's not like a holy grail of mine. But yeah, it's nice to have it in the box so that I can add it to the giveaway when I hit 1,000 subscribers. That's going to be my next giveaway. And you guys, it's going to be a big one. So that's it for this video. That's it for the box. If you guys liked it, give this video a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I love you all. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.